Lab 18, Creating a Docker Application with Exadata Cloud Service. In this lab, we will build a Docker container running node.js microservice, connect it to an Exadata Cloud Service running in the Oracle Cloud, and deploy the Docker container on an Oracle Compute instance. Step 1. Connect to your database and create node user and run create_schema.sql. Change the source database from default to your database by executing the following command. Then, connect to your Exadata Cloud Service database. We will first need to create a database schema called node user. If you have done this lab before, you may need to drop your previous schema. Now, we can run our create database schema called node user command. After we see user created, we will run grant dba connect resource to node user. After seeing grant succeeded, we will connect to the node user schema as shown. After seeing connected, we will now need to run the contents of create_schema.sql. To download this, view the required artifacts section in Lab 18. Paste the contents from the download here. Step 2. Configure dbconfig.js and build the Docker image. Now, let's SSH back into the Oracle Compute instance. Run the following command to get the zip file containing the Docker application. Now, we'll need to unzip the docker.zip that was downloaded. You can view the docker.zip by typing ls. First, we will need to edit the dbconfig.js file in node app docker folder with your Exadata Cloud Service database credentials. Enter the following command. Then, enter vi dbconfig.js. We'll need to update our password and connect string here. The format for your connect string should be similar to the following: / your host name, :port, /service name. When you are finished, press escape and :wq to exit. Now, to check if the Docker is installed, run the following command. If this is the first time you are doing this workshop, you will need to run the following 2 commands as well. After running the previous commands, restart your session. Now, with the dbconfig.js file edited with the appropriate EXACS credentials, let us proceed with creating the image. First, we'll need to build the Docker image. Once the Docker image build is done, you can find the image by running the following command. Step 3. Run your Docker image as container. We'll need to run the A1 image with the name node app to deploy the node application as a container. Run the following command. Now, run the following command to check the logs. Finally, we're going to check the app on our browser. Now, open a browser on your local machine and enter the public IP of your compute instance :3050 and hit enter. Now, you'll see your A1 application. You've just built and provisioned an entire application stack consisting of a microservice and an enterprise-grade database.